In this video, we will look at the Auction Assistant screen and the Customer Online Auction view side by side. We will have the two screens interact with each other before and during a live auction. To do this, I've split the screen with the left window showing the Auction Assistant view and the right window showing our customer view. Let's start by selecting our auction on the Auction Assistant view. Not much is happening yet on this screen. If we look at the bottom right hand corner, we can see that is because our auction is still set to upcoming. Let's set this to in progress and start our auction. Now let's join the auction as a customer. Click My Account in the top menu, then select Bid Online to go to a page with all the available web auctions. Click the Join Auction button for the auction we wish to join. Upon entering the auction, the customer will be met with a warning that they are entering a live auction. Let's click Enter to accept this and join live. The auction page will show us how many clients are online. Here we can see that we have one customer online, which is our other window where we have just joined. We can see that there is currently no active lot. Let's change that on the Assistant page by clicking on our first vehicle. Now the customer screen has changed. The customer can see all the catalogue information about the vehicle, starting with an overview, but also including the service history, economy, and features of the vehicle. If we scroll further down, we can also view information related to the condition check and mechanical inspection. To start bidding on the vehicle, the Auction Assistant needs to kick off bidding. Enter a value into the Kick Off bid box and click Kick Off, then start the auction. We can see that the customer screen on the right has changed to reflect our initial bid. We can now see the current bid price, a green button which gives us the option to bid, a blue May Bid button, and a red Out button. If the customer clicks the bid button, the Auction Assistant will be notified, and they will have the option to accept this bid by clicking the Accept Online Bid button, which is now changed to green with the value of the bid in it. The assistant can either accept this bid or accept a whole bid instead. The customer will receive a notification that their bid has been accepted. To accept a whole bid, the assistant should click the button in the Whole Bid Updates box that reflects the amount of the whole bid they are accepting. The assistant also has the option to change the bid increments by clicking the different value buttons under Change Bid Increment. If we change this now, we can see that the bid amount on the customer screen changes. The customer has the option to indicate that they may bid on a lot by clicking the May Bid button. This will update the assistant screen with a notification that the customer may bid. If the customer clicks the Out button, this will also send a notification to the assistant. However, they will still be able to bid on the lots if they wish by clicking the Bid button. If the Auction Assistant wishes to send a message to the customer's bidding history feed, they can do this in the text field on the bottom right side of the page. If we type the message and click Send Message, we can see this message appear in the customer window. Once bidding has completed, the Auction Assistant has a few options. The assistant can remove the lot from the sale and move on to the next vehicle by clicking the Retract button. They can also mark the vehicle as sold, not sold, or provisional if the sale needs confirmation before it can be finalised. Let's mark this lot as sold by clicking the Sold button. If a customer has the winning bid, they will be notified in their feed and the auction will continue with the next lot. If the assistant needs to pause the auction at any point, they can do this by clicking the Paused button in the bottom right hand corner. This will disable options on the customer screen and show that there is no active lot. Click In Progress to resume the auction. Once the auction has finished, the assistant can click the Finished button in the bottom right hand corner. This will close the auction and notify the customer that the auction has finished in their feed.